Hey, how you guys doing? Can you believe it? It's almost Christmas. It's almost here. Do you have your shopping done? I don't. I'm working on it right now. You know, as I was doing my shopping, I'm going, you know, it's so hard to find something awesome, but we have so many cool gifts here at Outrageous Audio. And you know what I wanted to do? Right now, we already have everything on sale. I've got all the prices marked down below the online price, as you can see on our website. Now, if you're watching this on YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, wherever, go to our website, and what I'm doing right now is super last minute deals. I wanted to walk around the store and just make up some crazy prices for you guys. You know, maybe you're having trouble finding that perfect gift for somebody. Well, this'll help. Are you ready? How about a Pioneer touchscreen with a rear view camera? Now, the lowest price I found it online was $249 with the camera. I'm doing it for $149 for you guys. All right, this is the JVC Android Auto and Apple CarPlay deck. This is the one everybody wants. All right, it was normally $499. I have it on sale for $299, but now on the last minute deal, I can't show you the price. It's so low, JVC would shut me off. They go, Blane, you can't show a price that low. Trust me, when you come in the store, you're gonna be blown away. Got somebody on that Christmas list that wants that huge bass, the bass that you hear for blocks? Well, I got something for you, all right? These subwoofers are normally $699 each. During this last minute deal, look at this. These monsters, $199 each. Now I only have a few get in here. So what I'm doing is I'm just walking around creating these last minute deals for you, trying to pick something in each category. You know, maybe one of these items will fit for somebody in your family or friends that needs a specific gift. So let's pick something else. Oh, right here. These are the Nakamichi powered bass tubes, okay? These are a 12-inch tube. They have the amplifier already built in. A lot of people like these tubes with the amp built in because they don't take up much space and they can be removed real quickly. So if you can see this, let's create a deal. Okay, these are $279. Let's do it for $140. How's that? Okay, let's find a deal on some speakers. Oh, here we go. The Sony 6x9s. These handle 450 watts maximum. Oh, one-handed here with the GoPro. These are normally $89. Let's just do them for $35. All right, I know how you guys love bass packages, and I was walking by the bass packages and going, you know, I have to create a deal for everybody watching this. I want the deal so awesome that, you know, even your mom would drive to our store to pick up something for you, okay? You gotta go, hey mom, I want that for Christmas. Are you ready? Okay, so we already have the $500 12-inch bass package right here on sale for $348. Let's do it for $179. How about that? And you wanna step it up a little bit? How about this? The $700 Kicker 12-inch bass package. You see this? I already got it on sale for $588. Are you ready? $299. Are you kidding me? Nobody does this. $299. It's the Kicker preloaded box, the 1,000 watt amp, and the wire to put it in. All the bass packages are on sale. These last minute deals are just nuts. I'm gonna put a button on our website that says last minute deals, so you don't have to go through this video again. Okay, I'm gonna do one more for you. Probably gonna get in trouble for this one. Let's just do it. This is the CompuStar Q9 brand new remote system, okay? Now this remote system is $269. You see that right there? $130, okay? I'm gonna do it for $130. Talk about an incredible gift for somebody this year. I hope this helps you guys. We are down here until Christmas Eve. We're going to be working on Christmas Eve. I got 5 installers going all the time. So if you need something installed, just bring it down, drop it off. I promise you we'll get it done. Oh yeah, I'm doing the Christmas gifts. You see that? Just for coming down, participating in this huge sale. You can take your pick of different levels of gifts. What more can I say? Oh, hey, do me a favor. Let's add one more thing to this. If you're watching this video right now, jump over to Facebook. If you're watching on Facebook, all you have to do is share this video, okay? I just thought of this just right now. What I'm gonna do is, if you share this video and then to enter a second time down in the comment section, what I want you to write is, Blane, I shared, okay? That'll enter you a second time. Let's spread this like wildfire, and Christmas Eve, I'm gonna choose 25 winners. If you shared this, you're gonna be in the drawing Christmas Eve. 25 people are gonna win some awesome prizes. Have a fantastic Christmas. I'll see you down here.